Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Samsung Galaxy A25. Let's get started. So the first thing that you are going to see when you will turn on your phone is this welcoming screen on different languages. And to continue, we would need to click on this big blue button. Here, as a next step, we would need to choose the language that we would like to use our phone in future. So I'll choose English and click Next. As a next step, we would need to agree to some privacy policy and also end-user license agreement. This is the first one, and also second one is agreeing to the sending of diagnostic data, but it's optional, so I'll leave it like this and click Next. As a next step, we are getting suggested to do a easy setup with another device, but I'll choose here Setup manually. As a next step, we would need to choose our Wi-Fi network, or we can also skip it and do it later. So I'll click skip. As a next step, check if the time zone and date is right, and if not, you can adjust it if needed. So I'm clicking next. Here you can choose the Google services that you would like to use on your phone. So here I will disable the sending of data. And now click accept. As a next step, we are also getting suggested to protect our phone with a password or biometrics, which is face recognition and fingerprints, but we can also skip this step, so I'll choose skip anyway. Next thing that we got here is Samsung service permissions. You can see it right here. You can also read the description and disable the functions that you are not going to use. Then click agree. And as a next thing, choose your display mode. If you like the light theme, leave it like this, or we can set a dark theme and you can immediately see the difference. So now click next. And this is it. You're all set up and you can start using your new Samsung Galaxy A25. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.